From dinners and parties to that cozy downtime and simple gatherings, our homes are about to become holiday hubs.
It's about to get a little busy, and while most of us have our go-to cleaning routine, well, there are a few surprising spots that we tend to overlook. Spots that guests notice the moment they walk through the door. Briana Lybbert from This Messie Life, she is here right now. She is sharing the 4 things that most hosts forget to take care of before the company arrives. Okay, so hosting can be a little overwhelming, so I'm really excited to hear your take on this. What do we need to do?
Yes, so I think the goal within the home, there's no place like home, right? But we want to replicate home the best we can as a host, right? So there's a couple takeaways. We go a little bit blind to some of our own dirt. So the first thing that we don't see, we go nose blind to our smell. If you've ever come home from a trip, you smell your house, you're like, oh, that's what my house smells like? I forgot. Because we just don't smell it anymore. So there's 2 tips that I would say, 2 takeaways on this one. One, we do want some sort of candle or scent. It's the holiday time, it's cozy. I like to stick to like pine or wassail, something really classic. And the second one is we need a clean home, because what we can't have is a dirty home and then candles trying to cover it up, because now we have too many scents happening and we're gonna end up with stomach ache. We don't want people feeling sick to their stomach after 30 minutes of scents. So I really like the Puras, it's P-U-R-A. You can choose so many different scents and you can control it from your phone. You can control how intense it is. You can set a timer. And then as far as keeping our house clean, one of the sneakiest little hubs that carry a lot of smell is our range hood above your oven. Because you think about it, you're cooking onions and minced garlic and all the different things. So if you want to give a really nice deep clean to your kitchen to keep it smelling good, clean your range hood and all the cabinets around it, because they just stick to that smell. It just gets right ingrained in them.
I like that point, though, that you can't cover up uncleanliness, right?
Can't.
So you can't, layering on the smells will actually just create a different problem.
Yes.
My mom, I've quoted this probably a million times, but she used to say her favorite quick clean speaks to what you're saying in terms of smell. She would just pour some Pine Sol down the drain, run it. If you only have minutes.
Good old Pine Sol.
If you only have minutes. The smell that comes out of the drain, I mean, it takes a lot. Let's just say that.
I love it.
Next on your list, and this is an important one because you talk about being blind to our own spaces or our own situations, and you point out that the couch, where we spend a lot of our time, the blankets, the pillows, they can get a little grimy and we might not notice.
Oh yeah, that's a big one, especially when you go to someone's house. You're all sitting around the couch. If you want to cozy into a blanket, you don't want to pick up that blanket and be like, oh, I think little Jack had the stomach flu 3 days ago. Is this the same blanket he was cozying up to?
That's extreme. Now you just
never
took it
know,
way far.
You know, I have those thoughts that go through my head. And I'm like, did this get washed? And let's look at the flip side of that. If you cozy up to a blanket and it smells like a fresh load of laundry, you're like, okay, now I'm home, I'm in, I feel so comfortable. So if you can clear, if you have couch cushions that zip off, this is a great time of the year to throw them in the wash. Pillow covers, those kinds of things. So when someone sits down, they're just feeling really at home. Not to mention pet hair, that's another big one. They might love your fur babies, but they don't want to go home wearing your fur baby on their pants, right?
Well, and that's a mark to me. I have 3 marks as a hostess: if they will help themselves to their own drink, if they will put their feet up, or if they will cozy up on the couch.
Yes.
So, clean blankets.
I love it.
Clean pillows. You also point out walls and baseboards. Could use a one too.
That's a simple one. I think that's one that as you're sitting there hanging out, you start to notice those things, and if they are really clean, you're just feeling one step more comfortable, because you're like, wow, they really did deep clean. It's not like they did the quick surface cleaning.
Right.
It's like, oh, it feels clean, and that's something we really stop noticing when you live in your home, because if you have dogs, pets, kids, it adds up really quickly. So that's a quick one.
All right, and real quick too, the fridge. You don't want to just give that one a do-over, right? You want to get in there, do a deep clean.
I mean, tell me the first thing you're going to feel when you open that fridge, if there's like a hair in there, a spill that didn't get taken care of, rotting cottage salad.
Right?
No, and it's these little things that build we want to stay. We want our people to stay. And the further we get in and the more they get deep into the layers, if they see clean, refreshing things, they feel more and more at ease and they want to linger.
Okay, so smell, blankets on the couch, walls and baseboards, and the inside of the fridge. Thank you so much, sister. Where can we get more from you?
This Messie Life on Instagram. I got a website if you need a quote for a clean. We're doing cleans again, so we're back up and running. This Messie Life, MESSIE.
Great.
Love it. Thanks so much.